வணக்கம். Average Accumulator of Wealth Rule AAW. It is one of the thumb rule in personal finance. AAW rule is also called the net worth rule. In 1996, Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Tango wrote a book called Millionaire Next Door: The Surprising Secrets of America's Wealthy. In this book, the authors have used three terms coined by them. First one is AAW, that is Average Accumulator of Wealth. Second one is UAW, Under Accumulator of Wealth. Third one, PAW, that is Prodigious Accumulator of Wealth. Prodigious means extremely good. And they have suggested a formula for calculating it. That is, average wealth equal to pre-tax household income into current age divided by 10. Now they have given the interpretation also. The calculated value is compared with the actual wealth of that particular person. That is, the average wealth is calculated by using the suggested formula, and that value is compared with the wealth of that particular person. If the actual wealth of that particular person is twice the average, then his wealth position is PAW, that is Prodigious Accumulator of Wealth. And if the actual wealth is equal to average, that is equal to the value calculated, then his position is AAW, that is Average Accumulator of Wealth. And if the actual wealth is half of the average calculated, then it is UAW, that is Under Accumulator of Wealth. Take a situation. My age is 52. My annual income, two types. One is salary income, another one is other incomes. Salary income is 6 lakh per annum. Other incomes are 76,000 per annum. So my total income per annum is 6,76,000. How my wealth is calculated according to this rule? So my average wealth needs to be 35,15,200. How it is calculated? That is 6,76,000 into my age, that is 52, divided by 10. Then I will get this value. Now I have to find out what is my position, whether I am average accumulator of wealth, or prodigious accumulator of wealth, or under accumulator of wealth. If my wealth, that is my actual wealth, is 35,15,200, then I am average accumulator of wealth. And if my actual wealth is 70,30,400 and above, then I am a prodigious accumulator of wealth. If my actual wealth is half of this 35,15,200, that is 17,57,200, then I am under accumulator of wealth. Always people will expect prodigious accumulator of wealth because that is considered as the best among these three. This is really a good rule suggested by these authors as AAW, that is Average Accumulator of Wealth rule. Thank you. We will meet in the next video with an interesting concept.